Hotkeybind is a free macro, and what it allows you to do is when I click a series of keys, it'll insert text or open a program. For example, if I click Control F, it'll open Firefox. If I click Control E, it can open Internet Explorer. It's a really useful program, so I recommend it. Just Google Hotkeybind, and second result, you can see download Hotkeybind. Just download the self-extracting installer, or you can even download the source code to see how it was made. I click the installer, it saves it onto my desktop. Just click next a bunch of times, and once you're finished, it'll open a little icon in your taskbar. It's probably on the bottom right, and you click the key. It looks like a little key icon. And let me give you an example of what it does. I just click Add, and it allows me to minimize all windows. It gives you several functions you can use, and connect to the internet. The most useful is probably launch file, execute a program, open a directory, or open a file. For example, if you have Emule, Shiraza, LimeWire, it's pretty useful if you can just click a key combination and automatically go to the downloads directory, the ones where all your files have completed. Also, if I want to click Windows key P and open Firefox, it's really useful. Execute a program just by clicking a key combination. I guess for this example, let's use insert text. Let's say I'm a frequent chatter or something. I say, hi, 21/m/tx. You? I don't know, that's extremely lazy to have to use a macro for that, but let's just use it as an example. I click OK. Let's set it up as Control-Shift-H. I don't know, it doesn't matter what you set. You can even set the Windows key. You can set only one key if you want. Windows key H or something like that. Windows key is very often not used, but Control-Shift-H. So I click OK, and I go to any place I can insert text and type Control-Shift-H. Hi, 21 male, Texas, how about you? So it automatically pastes it. Now this may not seem very useful, but here's another example of how you would use text. And that would be the Google I'm Feeling Lucky link. On my page, whenever I click on my macro, whenever I click Control-Shift-L, it pastes the I'm Feeling Lucky URL. It may seem trivial, but let me give you an example. Let's say I'm chatting to my friend and he says, I use Yahoo Instant Messenger. I say, no, use Pigeon, it's way better. You can use several instant messengers at once. What's the first thing they say? Without variance, it's, okay, give me the link. Like, damn it! Just go to Google and type download Pigeon. But they always ask you, don't they? Well, here's a convenient way to fix that, to solve that issue, to quickly get the link without having to go to Google, copy it for them, and paste it in the messenger. The Google I'm Feeling Lucky search. So let's use it as an example. In this example, I just click Control-Shift-L, paste the URL, and then to the end I say download Pigeon. And it's now a working link. I can paste it in my address bar, click enter, and it'll bring me to the page for download Pigeon. Because the way Google I'm Feeling Lucky searches, it gives you the first result of the index without actually giving you the rest of the results. It just redirects you automatically to the site, the first site in the index. So you don't have to go through Google. You don't have to click a link in Google. Here's another example. I guess it might be confusing. Say, what's the Wikipedia entry on cats? I click Control-Shift-L, Wikipedia plus cats. Enter, and I'm automatically in the Wikipedia entry for cats. Now please don't copy all this. Please don't stop the video and copy this. You can copy it from the description. I'm adding it to the description on the YouTube video. If you're watching it somewhere else, you really will have to copy it or find it. In any case, it's a really useful trick. So if you have friends that ask you, where can I download that, where can I get this, or you're often giving tech advice, I really recommend you use the Google I'm Feeling Lucky query. But again, you can use it to open programs and a whole bunch of other stuff. Really useful program. Anyways, thanks for listening to this software review. I hope you enjoyed it.